Hi everyone. So we have started a new course that is about how to make a RPG game, third person in the 3D world.
As you see, we have inventory system. Different items can be equipped and the data will be saved. I will tell in detail how to make these models. We also make the quest system as well. There is level up system too, but let's kill some enemies first to gain experience.
You call that a weapon? I've seen sharper spoons! I'd be scared if I were as weak as you! No, my loot! No, you call that a weapon? I've seen sharper spoons!
This is why I hate Mondays!
As you see, they drop random loot with different rarity, like Diablo game. The navbar helps to find the target of the quest. We will have both melee and magic attack.
I'm not dead, just resting, you morons!
We can equip new loot. Now let's look at the next quest. We should find the chest and gather its loot. We also designed the skill tree. Everything will be coded from scratch and no plugging is used. At the end, we optimize the game to increase FPS. It works fine on phone and tablets too.
Please, before you start this course, I recommend that you first go and watch the previous courses, especially if you are new to Unity, because this course is for intermediate people or people who have enough experience with Unity. For example, you should know the basic things about this game engine and then you come and start this course. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.